Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick Unreal Engine tutorial. Today I will show you how to create a simple emissive material in Unreal Engine 5. It's super quick and really easy. First, let's create a new material and name it Glow. Next, open the material and change the shading model to Unlit. Now, in the material graph, right click and search for the constant 3 vector, then add it to the graph. After that, search for a multiply node and connect the constant 3 vector to it. Now connect the output of the multiply node to the emissive color input of the main material node. Next, add a constant node and connect it to the multiply node. Then convert it into the scalar parameter and rename it to intensity. In the same way, convert the constant 3 vector into a vector parameter and rename it to color. Now click apply and our material is almost ready. For easier control, let's create a material instance. Open the material instance, set the intensity value to 1 and you can also choose any color you like using the color parameter. Now drag a sphere into the scene and apply the material to it. As you can see, our emissive material is working perfectly. You can easily increase or decrease the intensity whenever you want, and of course you can change the color anytime as well. And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, subscribe and let me know in the comment what Unreal Engine tutorial you would like to see next. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.